Congratulations on the wedding.
Thank you.
About time.
About time.
About time. You took your sweet time.
I did.
Yeah. Were you scared? Once bitten, twice shy?
Yes, a little bit of that, but it's not about maybe once bitten. I wouldn't call it bitten. I am very glad that marriage also happened. I was very young, but it gave me the best thing in the world, Aslan.
MashaAllah.
But yes, I was scared. मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि क्या शादी में क्या है, क्या रखा है, like मुझे समझ नहीं आता था. I became a little hopeless about marriage. I became a little doubtful about marriage. I also thought कि if I get married, it'll all be the same. I'll have to pause. I'll have to, you have to give time to different things. And I just thought कि मेरे में नहीं है अभी ये. I can't do it. And secondly, and the biggest reason, मुझे अज़लान का डर लगा रहता था. मुझे ये होता था कि how will he adjust to? If I ever want to get married, how will he adjust? So I used to think about this one thing, Ahmed. I used to say कि अच्छा, I chose to leave a marriage. And that was my choice, right? And for the longest time, I used to feel guilty about it. कि मैंने अपने बच्चे.
You took it as a failure?
Of course I did. Yes, I did. I took it as a failure, and I also I used to feel guilty about Aslan, that he'll never see a family, and I did that. It's my fault. That was my choice. So मुझे ऐसा लगता था अगर मैंने दूसरी शादी की तो ये ना हो कि फिर ये sort of इसके लिए एक सेटअप बना हुआ है, एक घर है जहाँ हम सब हैं, ये ना हो कि फिर इसकी सारी जिंदगी हिल जाए. So that is also why it took a while.
Did he have a say in this?
Yes, he did. He finally convinced me. He said, Mama, what's wrong with you? I said, I'm so scared. He's like, come on.
No.
So I think वो मुझे सुनना ज़रूरी था. और मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो एक 7-8 साल का बच्चा आपको कह सकता है.